Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers online as well as on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first tonight, brace for possible strike action. A warning this evening to customers of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company as employees threaten strike action.
Now, the JUTC sounded the alarm earlier today. Andrea Chisholm has our story.
It's the news passengers do not want to hear. Possibly a longer waiting time if they decide to take a JUTC bus. Longer as the cash-strapped company does not have enough buses to begin with. And now some bus drivers may go on strike. According to the JUTC, an increase in health insurance premiums is at the root of the problem. Canopy Insurance Limited put forward a proposed increase of 10.5% effective April 1, 2024, but that was rejected. JUTC says the University and Allied Workers Union UAWU refused to accept the increase, and so health insurance coverage was suspended, as the requirement is for at least 70% of staff to participate. Interestingly, another union which also represents some workers, the Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees UCASE, met with Canopy Insurance. UCASE negotiated a reduction from 10.5% to 7%, or the original 10.5% increase in health insurance premiums with improved benefits. JUTC says that was communicated to the UAWU. Despite several meetings, the issue remains unresolved. Our news center contacted JUTC's managing director Paul Abrams, but he would only say this.
There's an issue we're working through with the union. It's something that we're addressing, and we were just advising the public that there may be some disruption. At this present time, we're not seeing any. We're just advising them, but it's something where we're ongoing and we're having discussions on it right now.
While those talks continue, passengers should brace for delays. The matter has been referred to the Labour Ministry, and the Transport Ministry was made aware of developments. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.